we just came over here to check on our boat. She's floating back over there somewhere. Anyway,
She's good.
It's all good. When we got to the ramp here, there was a boat that we saw on Saturday that was completely sunk, and they've raised it and brought it to the ramp, and the thing is destroyed. Show it here. Yeah, this thing is disgusting. It stinks like a 3-day-old mullet that's just been rotted out by the road. It is disgusting. So I guess they're gonna come up here and just cut this thing apart.
Do you think it's been under?
I don't know, probably a while. Months, I would say. With the amount of growth on here. Yeah, I mean, look at all this stuff growing on here. How long is it going to take you to chop the whole thing up?
End of the day.
Yeah. Ride that
Right
dumpster, right?
Because there's nothing in there other than like maybe some winches.
No, the engines are gone.
Yeah.
They're single speed wedges. With a windlass, I'll probably sell that after I clean it on eBay.
Yeah.
The mast isn't really worth the time to strip it down.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Because I 100% why I got into this, I love recycling.
Yeah.
Everything is about recycling.
Yeah, everything can be used again.
But,
Yeah.
you know, you have to pick your battle of what's cost effective.
What's your time?
Because I have to eat.
So what are the rules with it? If a boat's sunk, what are the rules of you taking it?
The rules are this: when it's stickered, they give the owner initially
that
a certain
orange
amount
sticker?
of time. The orange sticker
Yeah.
gives a certain amount of time. In this case, this guy died.
Yeah.
So it went into probate. So put it in a gray area because it was sunk.
Right.
Okay? So you have two different agencies looking at it. One would be the Sheriff's Department, which controls the land. The other one is Fish and Game, which controls the water.
Right.
Okay? And that's why the bureaucracy of all of it takes a year and a half to resolve.
Do you mind if I just take a little picture of this? It's so cute. Did you guys have it over there at that?
We were out sailing for a few hours.
Oh yeah. Where'd you go sailing? Just around here?
Yeah.
I want to get the keel down so we're not rocking and rolling here, but it's low tide right now. So it's going to be, I kind of wait till we get into the channel, and we're waiting another 8 minutes for the bridge. Wow. This is loose, baby.
What, the handle?
Yeah, the winch mount.
That's not good. Yeah. Everything breaks.
Yeah. Right now we're going ahead and we're motoring through Golden Beach. Probably one of the wealthiest communities in the country. A lot of celebrities live here. See, it's all mansions throughout here. They don't allow any high-rises. They're strict on the water. They pull over a lot of boats. And they're also strict when you're driving through on A1A. You go 1 mile over the speed limit, you're getting pulled over. So it's that kind of town. We got lucky, we made the Hollywood Bridge, and then the Haulover Beach Bridge 15 minutes later. The guy was nice enough to hold the bridge 2 minutes and open her up for us, so we didn't have to hang around for a half an hour, so that was good. We still got another probably half an hour, 45 minutes to go. We're heading to this little spot they call the Haulover Sandbar. We haven't been there in a long time. We used to go all the time with a jet ski, and Apple's been bugging me to go down there, so of course gotta do whatever it takes to make her happy. So we're gonna head that way.
Happy wife, happy life.
If we're lucky, the water will be crystal clear blue water, and that should be a good time. We'll get there, see, it's 4:30 now. Maybe we'll get there by, I don't know, 5:30 or so. That'll give us 2 hours for sundown. Have time to hang out. There's always a lot of vendors that hang out at the sandbar. They bring 3 or 4 pontoons out there. They cook hamburgers, hot dogs, sell beer, sodas. So it's pretty cool. I have no idea if we can clear this bridge or not. They say it's 30 feet, but we're 29. And I've never actually gone and, you know, run a measuring tape.
So we're gonna what? Go close and wait to see what the little sign on the bottom says?
Yeah. So that scares the shit out of me. Look at that. If anything, our antenna would bump going through there, but not the head of the mast, that's for sure.
That is awesome.
Hey, look at the sky. There's not a cloud in the sky.
This guy over there is riding side saddle.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my favorite house.
Oh yeah.
It has like a boat garage, kind of like
Yeah.
I would imagine in Venice they've got.
Yep. It's not just a boat. It's a boat garage on the house.
Yeah.
So baby, what is today?
Today's our 6-month anniversary.
Aww.
Our 6-month wedding anniversary.
Yeah, so you got another 6 months left to get you something, huh?
Pretty much. It better be good, because this was my wedding present.
Oh yeah.
Now that we have our engine off, you hear that? 5 or 6 different songs playing really loud.
It's crazy.
All right, let's add some country music to that.
All right.
That's the inlet. And then the other side of this, I think maybe more on that side, is the nude side of Haulover Beach. And yes, we went out here with our jet ski many times and got a little close to shore, and we saw lots of old wrinkly men.
Hey.
I was telling them about Haulover Beach on the nude side.
Oh yeah.
What
There's
was
a bunch of ding dongs walking around. So
Yeah.
Don't get any bright ideas.
exactly? It's a bunch of ding dongs.
Yeah. You might get some naked women over there, from time to time, see the anchor? It's right below me.
Yeah, I see it.
So this anchor, it's what they call a box anchor, and it stores flat, and basically it opens up into a box, and it's got 4 hooks all the way around it. It works with a very short scope. So you see we only have maybe 10 feet let out. The current is whipping here, and this anchor is just dug right in. So, but there's 4 spikes on either side. So no matter which way the anchor flips, it's in a box and there's 4 spikes and it just digs right in and it holds you back, no problem. Yeah. What do we got here?
Only our favorite beer.
Alright.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious. So, yeah, this October 20th, our 6-month anniversary. It's as clear today as our wedding day.
That's true.
It's actually a little less windy. That's the only thing.
Gotta love Florida.
Yeah. Yeah.
No way, New England. We won't go back.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna go explore a little bit. There's a little sailboat over here. It's even tinier than ours, so I'm gonna go check that out. Is that yours? Oh, that's nice.
It's cute.
That's yours?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a Potter 15.
A what?
A Potter 15?
Potter?
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
West Right Potter.
nice.
Yeah. I like it because, you know, it's kind of small, light,
Yeah.
and it's just for us 4, you know, what else do I need?
Exactly. It's got it. Can we start the motor? It starts, it runs from 30 seconds and it dies.
Oh.
We were over there watching up on the rocks about to destroy the bottom end of the boat. Thank God this one guy, he's like, you know what?
And of course, my son forgot
I'm
to
going to
put
shame you
powder.
on Snapchat for the price of telling your ass.
All the charter boats come out at night, huh?
Oh yeah, look at that.
We got Venetian Lady, and I'm willing to bet that's like the South Beach Princess.
Oh yeah, we cleared it.
Cleared it? Oh yeah, just by like a foot. I want to be on that right now. Sounds like a party. The honky tonk, the dunkadunk.
Ready?
It's gross.
That's nasty. And that's only a week. Just over a week, like 10 days. Something like that.